When you are working in Final Cut Pro, it's time to time you need to add some extra video clips or videos on top of the primary storyline. So let's see how we can do this thing. So this is on video and this is running on the primary timeline. Now I need to add some extra video from other clip. So let's see how we can do this thing. So this video is from here, right? So I'm going to add some extra clip from this clip on top of it here. So what we need to do, we need to drag it and drop it, and now we need to choose the position which part we want to add. Suppose we want to put like this position, Control B. I'm going to cut this clip and removing this part, and I'm going to cut this part, only this part. Okay, then I'm going to remove it. Now this area actually I want to fill with this video clip, so I'm going to put it over here, and then I'm going to play it. And if we play, we'll see that this part video, down part like primary storyline video, will be skipped. It will not be visible because this is top layer, that's why it will be skipped. So let's try to play it and see how it is playing. See here, all of a sudden the video changed like this, and then after this part you will see that it goes back to primary video line, and this is almost the end, and here you see that it goes to the primary video line. And that's it. In this way we can easily replace the primary clip in Final Cut Pro like Pro.